Yun, oh. Wow. Magkakape si Chubby? Diba, may microwave pa, oh. Ay, nay. Wala, girl. Buti na lang kumain tayo. Dito na ako, girl. What's that? Ay, connecting room? Huh.
10, 25, 10, 30. And here house, famous Canadian fudge factory, and also what's going on? The ships are coming from Atlantic Ocean, passing St. Lawrence River. I mean, it takes about 8 to 12 hours to pass. It's benefits.
They want to renegotiate.
Put a tariff on it.
Okay, Lisa.
Very good.
Yes, Lisa and Daniel, you're gonna take the boat, right?
Yes.
There's a zip line right here. Near
I'm
zip
so
line, you see the
excited.
white tent, and you see boat tickets. Okay? You're gonna go there, and you have QR code. You receive the voucher from the company.
Yes.
Staff will direct you to the boat. Okay?
Okay.
They're gonna provide you the raincoat, but still you're gonna get wet. For sure. Okay. See the beautiful trail here? Now I'm gonna drop you off at Canadian Falls. Okay? All of you. And after that, you can take this trail back. It's a beautiful trail here, beautiful scenery. You can see American Falls, and there's a little tiny falls near American Falls. It is Bridal Falls actually. It looks like Bridal. And now we're gonna see Canadian This is beautiful Canadian Falls. Okay, that is Table Rock Center. That is the best place to observe the falls. See the crowd over there in front of the building?
Yeah.
People are walking to that place. I'm gonna drop you off behind the building at the parking lot over there. If you wanna use the washroom, you can go washroom inside the building. There's a coffee shop also. Then go out, enjoy the falls, and go back to the boat or to the tunnel. Okay? Easy, right?
Easy.
Easy. You can manage your time, but at the end, I want to see you at Sheraton at 1:30. That's it. Most important thing for me. Okay, question for you. Where the water comes from for the falls? From sky?
From Lake Erie.
From Lake Erie, yes. You got hundreds out of hundreds from me as former teacher. Okay, yes. The water comes from Lake Erie and reaches out to this cliff, and at this cliff split out and make it these two waterfalls and goes to Lake Ontario. Niagara River is starting from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario. Niagara River is starting from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario.
Okay, now let's see what the big gentle's are about.
If you want to take the boat, you can still take it. You know, it's up to you. There is no specific time for the boat, by the way. They provide it to you, yes.
Yeah, he's not.
Just go. Yeah, definitely. Just grab your ticket over there.
I'd be disappointed if he didn't take it.
Okay. All right, for you. Great falls.
Mami.
Okay. Good. You're good.
Oh, guys, we're here. Inay, nandun yung video.
Nakawalang inay sa likod.
Nakaharap.
Hi.
We're here! Yay! Inay, talon! Inay, talon! Dali! Inay, talon!
Hindi ako makakatalon.
Power. Inay, we're here! 3 times bigger pala. How could I keep it inside? Ay, basa! Ay! Yun na, girl!
Tayo. Ayun nga, hindi kasi may lupinin.
Inay, anong mas malaki? US side or Canada side?
Aba, hindi ko pa naman napupunta.
Hindi pa nga naman daw napuntahan pare, ha? Oo. Niagara Falls.
Keri na lang yun.
Oh, sino pang hindi naliligo dyan? Lub-lub na.
Keri yun na gusto ko na.
Tara, picture! Naku, madadala ang inay! Oh, Canada side. US side. Inay, yan na New York. Yun. Hello. Oh. Hello, Philippines. Ayan lang po yung pinunta ng inay sa Niagara Falls. Basta may bulaklak, masaya na siya. Ikaw, Chubby, oh.
Maple tree.
Parang pagod na pagod na.
Okay na. Tara.
Bakit haggard?
Pa, may style.
Oh, aring artista, oh. Aring po yung mga PA. Boat tickets. No refunds. Oh, inay.
Kala ko na
tayo.
may bibigay na dyan ng poncho.
Ay, oo nga. Iingi muna tayo. Ayun oh. Ayun.